We got a big boy. She's dripping water inside. That'll do it. I don't want to be assumptive that everyone understands what P-traps actually do and why you need them. So while we're building it, let's leave this open and listen to this. That's an economizer not responding. That's fun. Good times. So this unit is running. Oh, it's not now, so we're done. This unit was running. So, well, good. Now I can actually finish the P-trap. But while this sits like this, you can see there's a little bit of water in the bottom. Well, without the trap, or if you just leave this alone right now, it's sucking air in this pipe and it's taking all that water and building it up in the pan until it splashes over. It's filling the ducts downstairs, and that's why they're getting a leak. So we need to get the unit running and then prime the P-trap, which again, this is just going to be a lifting out. But so this is the second AC unit on the roof, but listen. It's not faulted. This VFD is going crazy, keeping itself cool, and we're not running. So the problem with this is building is way out of balance downstairs. They're saying the AC doesn't work, but one, the blowers aren't set to blow all the time. And even when they are, the VFD interrupts and runs a slower speed than it's designed to run to keep the building in balance. Let me put a jumper on this and see. All right, so I just put a jumper on there. And that's the speed that it thinks the building needs. Oh, now it's waking up a little bit. That VFD is a service call waiting to happen. We've talked about this. They put jumpers on there to bypass it. Yeah, there's a set of jumpers right there. You unhook and you bypass the VFD, and then you just run the fan in full speed, as opposed to this nonsense. Okay, we talked about energy efficiency nonsense earlier this week, or last week. Here it is. Here is my 3-phase power coming into my blower motor. It is then interrupted by these terminal connections. Goes into the VFD, and then if you follow the motor out, it runs into a different set of terminal connections. So what's amazing is the factory, again, it has to meet energy efficiency requirements to be sold, not to operate. So they have to be manufactured to these specifications, which they can meet by saying, oh, my thing is so smart. Yeah, but it's so smart, I've got the building out of balance because it won't run the blower at full speed, and it's just going to crap out anyway, and then they're going to have a service call that's not covered under warranty. Yeah, it's nonsense. So amazingly enough, they put opposing terminal ends. So these will hook directly into the motor, and then when we turn it on, the motor's just gonna run. Oh, looky there. Freaking airflow. That'll do wonders to bring their building back in balance.